Welcome. This question says a 60 kilogram mass is located at the origin. What is the gravitational potential at a point that is located 5 meters away? So let's visualize here's our 60 kilogram mass. And then 5 meters away in some direction, doesn't matter where, there's a point. And that's 5 meters. And I'm asking for my gravitational potential at that point. Gravitational potential, like gravitational field, is about points in space. And gravitational potential energy, like gravitational force, is about masses at points in a gravitational field. So, what's the relationship? Well, my gravitational potential is equal to, well, it's my gravitational field, it's my gravitational potential energy per mass. If I imagined putting a mass here, what would its gravitational potential energy be, and what would its mass be? And divide one by the other and we get the gravitational potential of the point. Well, I can expand this. My gravitational potential is equal to minus G M1 M2 over R. That's my gravitational potential energy divided by, well, do I divide by M1 or M2? It's a moot point, really. I tend to think of the M1 as being the host mass, and I tend to think of the M2 as being the mass that I would put in here if I were to put a mass in. So we divide by M2 in my mind, but it's a small point. And then we go Vg is equal to minus G times 60 over 5. It's really as simple as that. So Vg is equal to minus 12G, and the units are joules per kilogram. And there we have it. It's mathematically very straightforward. It's in terms of our conceptual understanding, it's a little bit abstract. It has to be said that if you don't play with it, you're not really clear about the distinction between gravitational potential energy and gravitational potential. It's just one word. What's the big deal? And it is a big deal. It's about the point rather than the mass I put at that point. It's a very useful concept. And there we have it.